Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming industries and daily life, but it also comes with serious risks. From misinformation and job loss to autonomous weapons and superintelligent AI, the darker side of AI raises ethical, security, and existential concerns. Here's a deep dive into the scariest risks of AI. First is the AI's ability to manipulate reality through deepfakes and misinformation. AI-generated videos and voices can create highly realistic but fake media, making it difficult to distinguish truth from deception. AI-powered bots and algorithms spread false news and propaganda, influencing public opinion and even elections. This poses serious threats to democracy, reputation, and trust in the media. A prime example is the 2019 deepfake video of Facebook's Mark Zuckerberg, which falsely depicted him admitting to manipulating users for profit, demonstrating how AI can be weaponized to mislead the public. Second is the AI-powered surveillance and privacy invasion. AI-driven facial recognition can track individuals without their consent, allowing governments and corporations to monitor people's movements, online activities, and even emotions. This mass surveillance leads to a loss of privacy and increases the risk of authoritarian control. In some countries, AI is already being used to track citizens in real time, suppressing dissent and limiting freedom. AI-driven data collection further exploits users by analyzing personal information to predict behavior, target ads, and manipulate decisions. AI is also transforming the job market, often replacing human workers with automated systems. From manufacturing and customer service to creative fields like writing, music, and art, AI is reducing the need for human labor. Some reports predict that by 2030, AI could replace up to 800 million jobs worldwide, causing economic disruption and widening inequality. Those who control AI technology may amass significant wealth, while displaced workers struggle to find new employment. AI-powered robots in Amazon warehouses have already replaced thousands of human workers, highlighting the growing concern of job displacement due to automation. The development of autonomous weapons and AI-powered military systems presents another terrifying risk. AI-driven drones, missiles, and robotic soldiers can operate without human intervention, raising concerns about loss of control and unintended destruction. These weapons could be hacked, malfunction, or act unpredictably, leading to devastating consequences. Additionally, AI-powered warfare lowers the threshold for armed conflict, making war more likely. Both the US and China are investing in autonomous military drones that can make combat decisions independently, increasing fears of AI-driven warfare escalating beyond human control. AI systems also exhibit bias and discrimination, reinforcing societal inequalities. Because AI learns from historical data, it can inherit and amplify biases related to race, gender, and economic status. AI-powered facial recognition has been shown to be less accurate for people of color, leading to wrongful arrests and unfair treatment. In hiring processes, AI has discriminated against women and minority groups, as seen in Amazon's 2018 AI hiring tool, which was scrapped after it was found to favor male candidates over females. This highlights the dangers of allowing AI to make critical decisions in areas like law enforcement, employment, and finance. One of the most existential risks of AI is its potential to become uncontrollable. AI systems sometimes make decisions their creators do not fully understand, and some experts warn that superintelligent AI could surpass human intelligence, making it impossible to regulate. If AI prioritizes its own objectives over human well-being, it could act against humanity's best interests. In 2017, Facebook had to shut down an AI system when two bots started communicating in a language that humans couldn't understand, illustrating how AI can evolve in unexpected and potentially dangerous ways. AI is also transforming cybercrime, making attacks more sophisticated and difficult to detect. AI-generated phishing emails, voice deepfakes, and malware are being used to steal personal data, commit fraud, and conduct large-scale cyber attacks. AI can also create deepfake voices and images that impersonate real people, leading to identity theft. In 2019, hackers used AI-generated voice deepfakes to impersonate a CEO and trick a company into wiring $243,000 to a fraudulent account, showing how AI is being exploited for criminal activities. Here's the list of the AI dark side. To mitigate these AI risks, strong regulations and ethical guidelines must be established to prevent misuse. AI transparency is essential to ensure accountability, and developers must create systems that can be explained and controlled. Security measures, such as AI-driven cybersecurity tools, should be implemented to protect against AI-powered threats. Public awareness is also crucial. People must be educated on how to detect AI-generated misinformation and cyber scams. Ultimately, AI is a double-edged sword. While it has the power to drive innovation and improve lives, it also poses unprecedented risks. As AI technology continues to evolve, we must take responsible actions to ensure it serves humanity rather than endangering it. Addressing these risks now is essential to prevent AI from becoming a threat to privacy, security, jobs, and even human survival. We need your support to subscribe, click like, share if you find this video helpful, as the motivation for us to produce more free videos.